Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe just to support the channel, you know, and I could keep posting. I'm gonna be working on the wheel cylinder. Ugh, can't even talk. I'm gonna do the wheel cylinder on this car. I already got my setup. I just gotta lift up the car and take the wheel off and all the accessories just to get to that cylinder. I don't know if you guys could see good or not, but pretty much there's some fluid coming out of here and it feels like moist, so that's why we're gonna remove this. Let's see, back here is fine, but they leak right here through these boots. Oh, see, I don't know if you guys could see that, but fluid just leaked out of there, so that could be actually the issue that we're having. Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna also inspect the other side just to be safe too. Damn, look at those eggs right there. Delicious. Fry them up with some little bacon on the side. Just kidding, but all right, let's get started, you guys. So what you want to do first is always take some photos of all of these, just so you know what way to put them back. I don't have my phone on me, so I'm just gonna take pictures through the GoPro. Okay, so I already cracked this loose, and this style cylinder has this clip, and I did watch a video where people shove nails right here, and that'll pretty much take this whole ring off, and then you'll be able to pop this out. And I also saw a video where you don't have to take all of this off. You could just get away while taking off the springs, taking off the load pretty much, and then taking that out without having to take all of this apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt it that way because I don't want to have to go through everything just to, you know, get that in there. But wow, she's smooth. And the brakes are still good. You just need to clean up. We're gonna refresh it with this brake cleaner afterwards and clean inside here also. But honestly, this might be our issue, that leak. Holy beep. Yeah, you don't want to take it out like that. That thing's shot over there. Luckily didn't hurt me or anything, but just be smart, have the right tools. I clearly don't, but I'm working with what I got, so whatever. So hopefully you could see, pretty much right here we're going to be removing this clip. It goes pretty much through here, and then this comes out, and this clip pretty much holds everything in place. And what I've learned is you could put a nail. I have these smaller ones, maybe they'll be better. You just pry it under here, and then you'll be able to kind of pick that out of there. Hopefully you guys could see. Hopefully mama spider doesn't come out. Whatever. Pretty much could use that to pry it out. I just wanted to show you guys, but I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse because yeah, gotta get this done, and who knows how long it'll take. All right. Okay, so it's not as easy as I thought. It's not coming out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take off this part right here, this whole hub or something. I didn't want to have to take off anything, but it's literally like just almost there, but she doesn't want to come out. So I'm gonna have to take off this hub, I guess. I never worked with this, and then I kind of just put that on just so I wouldn't leak anymore for now, because it's gonna take a while. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so pretty much I had to loosen up the hub a little just so I had enough space to get the cylinder out. And yeah, I need to screw this on tightly. I kind of just hand screwed it on, and then pretty much this clip here has to click in there all the way around flush, and then this little tabs, like they tuck under there eventually when it's nice and tight. But yes, I'm gonna get to it. So another time lapse. Alrighty, so I got that clip in. This is pretty much tucked under there. There's like a little lip on both sides. It's the same way. And I had to put like something in between here just to add pressure to put that clip in. But yeah, let's finish the job. Oh my gosh. I didn't even bother recording this part because honestly I kept struggling, especially to put these on. And then what the heck, hold on, it's definitely not even right. I have to align this somehow. All right, let me fix that really quickly. Oh my goodness, but the amount of times I had to oh my gosh, okay, that's wrong. That, and then let me see how I could fix that. There you go. It's looking a lot better, I think. Okay, I think I fixed it. Oh my god, there you go. Obviously, I need to bleed the brakes, so it's probably also why they look like this. And then when I was using brake cleaner, this came off, all this like paint. So I try to sand some off, put some grease there in the areas, and yeah, I think I now just need to bleed them. And yeah, let's do that. But they look good. I also had to take off the other wheels. I don't know if I mentioned that right now. I had a little fight with these right now. It's kind of embarrassing. And then I got this in my eye that burned like a beep. But yeah. Alright, I'm probably gonna take off some of this spray paint that keeps coming off. But alright. Okay, so I had to go back in here and fix my mistakes, because I had this whole spring up like the wrong way, and also I forgot to put the spring in here, so I had to go back there and get that done. And also one more thing I just realized, when I was looking at the other one, I realized that that one also needs to get replaced. So I'm gonna have to do this again, but that's okay. That one's not leaking as much. But yeah, we're pretty much done here. All we gotta do is put everything back and then test it out. But first I'm gonna bleed the brakes. So just when I thought I was done, I ended up taking this out because I didn't put back the drum when I was bleeding the other side of the brakes. So I ended up running to the parts store and I grabbed another one. But whatever, this one was leaking too, so honestly might as well get it done. Alrighty, so pretty much I completed the job, and right now I'm just gonna take it on a drive and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so I'm just taking her on a little drive. Honestly, I love this car. She has a lot of little power. Like anytime you push on that gas, here you go. So as I'm driving, I haven't stopped to check the wheels, but I could smell like a metallic smell. I'm not sure if that's like a smell that you normally smell, like when the rotors and the pads are like touching, you know. But that's currently my issue. I am gonna stop right now and just give them a feel. Let's see. Let's go ahead and check these out really quickly. They're a little hot. Like they're really hot. Like you can leave your hand on here for a bit, but I'm not sure. Like I'm gonna try to drive with just the least amount of, how do I say it? The least amount of braking. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just feel a little overwhelmed that I'm having the same situation right now. I'm gonna hop on the freeway to see if it just happens on short drives, or my other theory, it might be the CV axles, only because since they're already exposed, I wonder if they even have like proper lubrication. Like maybe they're dry and they're not lubricating well enough, and that's why the wheels could be getting hot. That's another thing to have in mind. But I don't know. Can you guys let me know in the comments? I'm gonna take it on the freeway right now and then let's see what happens. So I had a few people recommend me to lift the two wheels and rotate them. Oh shoot, I had to put on neutral. So 1 second. God damn it. Okay, so pretty much I got this going, and I don't know like how fast this is supposed to, what's normal. Like it obviously doesn't spin properly, but then again it has CV axles. So is this normal? Like I could kind of see the pads are touching the rotor. Like I could see that. And these are Chinese branded, so I wonder if like they just need to get worn out, or what's the deal? So I mean, I do hear a grinding noise when I rotate the tire, and I could see inside there. I'm not sure how well you guys could see, but if you look closely, close enough, you could see that the pads are literally touching the rotor. Like, I don't know if that's normal. Are they breaking in? Is there a breaking in period for brake pads? Like, I don't think that's normal, unless I got the wrong ones. But it's cooled down a lot more. Woo! Not these though. Whew. But yeah, guess I still have the same issue. So I am gonna take it on the freeway right now. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so pretty much we're just gonna take this on a drive right now and see what happens. I don't know if you guys could see, but look at that cool little wagon. It's a little Volkswagen. I'm not sure what style it is, but it looks so cool. Okay, so I'm on the freeway. She drives so good. I just wish she could be my daily already. I'm trying to situate this whole brake thing, and also the AC, because it's hot out here. Alrighty, so that didn't seem to fix my issue, but definitely driving it on the freeway is a lot better than going through the neighborhoods for some reason. I don't know if like these brakes are breaking in, or is it my master cylinder or my brake booster. But yeah, I don't know. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.